So this is our Balsam Hill brand Silverado Slim 6-foot tall tree that we ordered with twinkly lights. This is the brand you see advertised a lot on antenna TV. It's supposed to be the best according to the reviews, or one of the best I should say, according to the reviews that I've seen on their website. Seems like people really love it, so it's at a much higher price point, but I thought we would give it a try and hopefully like it. One of the main draws of it was that it seemed like it was real quality, and it came with the Twinkly Light Show, which I'm going to show you in a minute. So it comes with a bag that has the stand in it and then 3 sections. The sections are numbered 1, 2, and 3, and the trunk is wrapped to look like a real tree trunk. It's super easy to set up. You just put the stand down and you put the lower section in first, and it has arrows where the plugs go. The plugs are actually in the tree trunk, so it's super efficient. You don't have to wire anything when you're done. The tree, to me, it looked a bit too mathematically correct. It looks a little bit, how do I say it? There's not a lot of inconsistencies in the branches. Everything seems very well organized, which I don't know. I like my trees to look a little less perfect, I guess. But it is what it is. It is a 6-foot tall tree. It's a slim profile, but the easy plug system is really enjoyable to set up. It takes no time at all, and it's super easy to do. So here we're just going to grab the last piece and put it up on top. It's also not very heavy to move. I think it weighs between 40 and 50 pounds, if I'm not mistaken, and it isn't very hard at all to move, which is important because if you're going to have to lug it up and down the stairs for the other 11 months of the year, you want something that you're going to be able to move. But I am concerned that it's a little sparse. You can see a lot of gaps in there, and for the amount of money this cost, that was really the biggest negative on this experience. The lights, they're the LED lights, but as you can see here, they're the Twinkly brand, the ones that can change color, or you can do patterns, or you can make pictures on it. They're really cool. The technology is amazing. It blew me away. That was the reason to get this tree. So unfortunately there isn't a showroom to be able to go look at these. You have to kind of order them online and you get what you get. But at a price point that's roughly 3 to 4 times higher than what you could pay for a similar tree without the Twinkly Light Show, I couldn't live with it for that. And in the end, I didn't want to have to do this because I really wanted to love this tree. Everything about what I saw on the website made me super excited to get one, and I was willing to put more money into it, so hoping to enjoy it for a lot of years, but I had to send it back because in the end it just didn't fit the bill. It didn't live up to what I saw on the website. It didn't fill the room for a variety of reasons, and I think to order the bigger size by this manufacturer it just puts me over the edge in terms of what I'm willing to spend. That's my personal perspective, but I think you can get more bang for the buck when it comes to the multicolor / warm light interchangeable pre-lit Christmas trees. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or hit the bell to subscribe and be notified when new ones come out.